How to create a stunning 3D logo animation with AI. Hey everyone, I'm Z Zalnejad and welcome to the Studio Z. Instagram, we're about to design a per-level logo for your brand in just a few minutes. Let's do this. Step 1. First, we create the logo using ChatGPT and its image generation capabilities. In the prompt box, we write create a modern, minimal, and eye-catching 3D logo for the brand 3D Studio ZAI in a red color with a transparent background. Then we generate the image and save it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Step 2. Importing the logo into Runway. Go to and log in your account. Click on the image to video option. Then drag and drop your logo from the folder into the frame. You notice that the logo doesn't fit properly in the frame. We need to adjust it in Photoshop. Open the PNG file in Photoshop. Select the entire image, then select the Move tool. Resize from the corner to the center to make the logo smaller and better centered. Export the adjusted version again. Now go back to Runway. Drag and drop the new PNG and crop it so it fits perfectly in the frame. I created the prompt for this project using ChatGPT. You can also use this AI model to get better and more accurate results. Writing the animation prompt in Runway. Use the following prompt for animation. A cinematic dark background scenes. A glowing red 3D cube slowly rotates at the center. As the cube turns, the letter 3D and D appear on its surface with soft lighting. Below the cube, the text 3D Studio Z AI appear one by one with a super red glowing cinematic tapping animation. Glowing red, slightly embossed. Everything is surrounded by soft shadows and volumetric light. Moody, professional and minimalistic. OK, now click to generate. As you can see, it looks amazing. In just a few minutes, we were able to design and animate a logo for our brand. No special skills needed. This is how you can easily create a professional animated logo using AI tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.